Tuesday, September 20th. There's our Skoolie. And at the moment, it has 750 watts of solar with 4 6-volt batteries and a 24-volt system. With a 2,000 watt inverter, the Victron charge controller. And it is powering our washing machine right now. What I did was this. Loved on a kitty. Gotta love on a kitty. Now let me walk over here because we're off grid in the desert here. And the sun is just about to set. So I got a free washing machine off of Facebook Marketplace. And stripped it and took it all apart. And then I removed the motor. Yeah, remove the motor from that. Those panels are for the house. And in the house I have also four 6-volt batteries. But that's a 12-volt system. So I took the motor out of the free washing machine and put it down here, doing our wash with an old Wringer washer. There's the washing machine motor. Took a while to figure out the wiring configuration, but it's done. And that's that.